In rolling out the abductors, we're going to focus on the outside of the hip and the outer thigh, all the way down to the outside of the knee. You'll be starting at the greater trochanter, which is the bony part of your hip right there. Sit upon the foam roll and lean into it slightly. Reach with one hand while this leg stays straight, and slowly roll down toward the knee and back up again. Now you can take the opposite leg and bring it forward to rotate the pelvis a little bit more so that you get toward the forward edge or front edge of the thigh. Or take the leg back so you can rotate the pelvis a little bit away from the roll and get near the back portion of those abductors. And for more intensity, you can also just take the weight of that top leg and place it on the bottom leg and roll back and forth.